For those of you celebrating the Festival of Lights this week, happy Hanukkah. To symbolize Hanukkah, which is when the eternal light miraculously burned for 8 days with only 1 day's worth of oil, we're whipping up a dish that's cooked in oil, which goes hand in hand with the holiday. It's potato pancakes, and watch how easy they are. We start by combining a bag of refrigerated shredded potatoes along with a finely chopped onion and an egg. We give that a mix and add some flour, salt and pepper. After forming these into patties, we saute them in a good amount of oil. Once the bottoms are golden, we carefully turn them over and cook them until both sides are crispy. Then we'll drain them on some paper towels, and that's it. If you want, you can freeze them and refrigerate them at this point and simply reheat them whenever you want. Not only are these crispy and tasty, but thanks to our supermarket shortcut, the pre-shredded potatoes, they're super easy. Serve them with some sour cream or applesauce, and you've got a super side dish, or they can be a meal all by themselves. To get the recipe for our simple shredded potato pancakes, just visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a symbolic way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.